Updating your MCS 150 used to be quick and easy. In 2025, there's now a few more steps involved. If you operate a trucking company in the US, you must make updates to your FMCSA info at least every 2 years. Ignoring this could cost you substantial fines. The good news? You can still complete this update online in just about 10 to 15 minutes. Here's how. You've probably tried to access the FMCSA biannual update system the old way. Now, the FMCSA wants you to complete this update via your FMCSA portal. But their system isn't quite ready. You'll sign in with your login.gov credentials. Once in your FMCSA portal dashboard, you would normally click on Update Company Information, MCS 150. But now, you're redirected to their MCS 150 site. You now have to complete the fillable MCS 150 form online and update your information differently. Once you click on this link, you'll input all of your data and then save it to your computer. After saving the document, then return to the bottom of the MCS 150 webpage and click on the link to create a customer service ticket. Fill out the contact form, ensuring you select USDOT number as the inquiry type and indicate you need to change your company information. Attach your MCS 150 form and a copy of your current driver's license. Remember, the driver's license is crucial. Finally, hit Continue to submit your MCS 150 form. Once received, it should take them about 14 days to update your information online. It's vital to stay on top of your updates. You have to complete this at least once every 2 years to avoid penalties. If your company information changes, act within 30 days to update your records. Need help? My safety manager will complete this critical update for you for just $20. Click the link below the video to get started.